In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SafeSearch family filter in Google Chrome. We're going to use Chrome's secure DNS setting to connect to a family-safe provider, so explicit sites are blocked and search engines like Google and Bing automatically use SafeSearch. This gives you a quick, reliable layer of protection without installing any extensions. Open Google Chrome and look at the top right corner. Click the three dots to open the main menu, then choose Settings. This opens Chrome's preferences in a new tab where we can adjust privacy controls. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. From there, open the Security section. This page controls safe browsing protections and the secure DNS feature, which is what we need for a family filter. Find the area labeled Use Secure DNS. If the switch is off, turn it on so Chrome can use a trusted DNS provider. Now select the option to choose a provider and open the list. From the list, select Clean Browsing Family Filter. This provider is designed for families and schools. It blocks adult content, suspicious domains, and common workarounds like proxies, and it enforces SafeSearch on major search engines. By choosing it here, you're telling Chrome to send your DNS lookups through Clean Browsing's family filter. Once selected, you'll see that choice highlighted, which confirms it's active. There's nothing else to install, and the change takes effect immediately in this browser. A quick bit of context. DNS is like the internet's phone book. It translates website names into the addresses your device connects to. By using a family-safe DNS, you're filtering at the network level, which is harder to bypass than a browser toggle alone. Chrome also sends these DNS requests securely, which can improve both privacy and safety. A few tips to keep in mind. This setting applies to the Chrome profile you're currently using on this device. If you have multiple profiles, repeat these steps in each one. On managed or school work devices, some options may be controlled by an administrator. If a site you need is blocked by mistake, you can return to this same security page to switch providers temporarily, then reselect the family filter when you're done. No restart is required. If you don't immediately notice changes in search results, give it a moment or refresh the page. Safe search enforcement typically applies right away. That's all there is to it. You've enabled a family-friendly safe search experience in Google Chrome by selecting the Clean Browsing family filter through secure DNS. Thanks for watching.